the information away that you are a failure, you can't stick to anything, your willpower is weak. Well, I got news for you. Your willpower is weak. Mine is too. And I say this as a person who 14 years ago began to understand these concepts that I'm going to teach for you today and allowed them to change me profoundly, profoundly. And what ended up happening with this journey of self-understanding, which is a very important part of weight loss, to understand yourself personally, to understand your humanity, and understand what you can actually have control over. It not only transformed me as a person, but it created an incredible amount of peace and self-acceptance. And I think that those underlying structures are what have allowed me to stick with my practices all of these years. I know who I am. I understand my humanity, and I understand how to create the architecture in my life in order to protect the practices that lead to the outcomes that I'm looking for. In this particular case, it would be the ability to have a healthy weight and sustain it, which if you listen to my prior episodes, you know, I consider them one and the same.